If your Bluehost WordPress site feels slow, this video will show you exactly how to speed it up using caching and image compression. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the simple settings that can help your pages load faster, improve the visitor experience, and give your site a better chance of performing well in search. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy WordPress guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look for the website section and click on it. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, so take a moment to find the WordPress website you want to optimize. When you see the correct site, click Manage Site. Now you'll be taken to the site management area. From here, open the Performance tab. This is the section where Bluehost gives you built-in speed tools, including caching controls that can make a big difference in how quickly your website loads for visitors. Inside the performance area, look for caching control. The first thing you want to check is that page caching is turned on. If it's off, switch it on right away. Page caching helps store a ready-made version of your pages, so Bluehost doesn't have to rebuild them from scratch every time someone visits your site. That means faster load times and less strain on your server. After that, Bluehost gives you different caching levels, and choosing the right one matters. If you run an e-commerce store or a site that shows real-time information, the best option is usually assets only. That keeps the site fast while avoiding issues with pages that update often. If you have a blog, a business site, or an educational website that gets updated regularly, choose Assets and Web Pages. For most WordPress blogs and business websites, this is the recommended option. If your site is more like a portfolio or a brochure website that doesn't change often, Assets and Web Pages Extended may be a better fit. For most people watching this, the safest and most balanced choice is Assets and Web Pages. It gives you a strong speed boost without being too aggressive for a regularly updated WordPress site. Now let's talk about object caching. Bluehost uses Redis for object cache, and in many cases it's handled automatically for you. That means you usually don't need to manually configure anything here. Still, it's good to know this feature exists because object caching helps WordPress handle repeated database requests more efficiently, which can improve speed behind the scenes. If your Bluehost plan includes Cloudflare CDN, go ahead and enable it from the performance or speed settings. A CDN, or Content Delivery Network, helps deliver static files like images, CSS, and JavaScript from a location closer to your visitors. That can reduce loading time, especially if your audience is spread across different regions. For many sites, this is one of the easiest ways to improve performance without touching any code. Next, we're going to optimize your images, and this step is just as important as caching. Even with great hosting, oversized images can slow a site down fast, so now log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in WordPress, go to Media, then click Library. Here, look through your uploaded images and identify any that are especially large. These are often the biggest reason a page feels heavy or slow. Large hero images, uncompressed product photos, and oversized blog graphics can all increase load time significantly. The best practice is to compress large images before uploading them to WordPress whenever possible. Try to use appropriately sized images instead of uploading massive originals and relying on the site to shrink them down. If an image only needs to display at a smaller size, don't upload a huge file for it. Keeping your images optimized from the start makes a big difference in performance. If you already have images in your library, you may want to replace the largest ones with smaller, compressed versions where appropriate. This can help reduce the page weight and improve the user experience across your website. Once you've adjusted your caching settings and optimized your images, the final step is to clear your cache so visitors can see the latest changes. Go back to Bluehost, then open Websites, Manage Site, and Performance again. Look for the option to clear cache or clear all cache and click it. This step is important because your site may still be serving older cached files. Clearing the cache forces Bluehost to load the newest version of your pages and files, so your speed improvements actually take effect right away, and that's it. By turning on the right caching settings, enabling CDN support if available, compressing your images, and clearing the cache afterward, you can give your Bluehost WordPress site a noticeable speed improvement without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, website speed tips, and beginner-friendly hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.